What is the difference between a structural engineer, a mechanical engineer, and an electrical engineer? It's quite simple. Electrical engineer does everything electrical in your building. High voltage, low voltage, extra low voltage. High voltage are things like how your power would be delivered to your house, from the big pole to your transformer to your house. Low voltage is anything from appliances in your house. Extra low voltage are things that don't take a lot of power. Things like your CCTV, doorbell, internet, and things like that. They are the ones that are in charge of those ones. Now, for your mechanical handles anything that moves in your building. Anything that is supposed to move. Your plumbing, water moves in your building is their headache. Air moves in your building, AC is their business. Ventilation is their business. Air conditioning is their business. Heating is their business. All that is the work of the mechanical engineer. Now, for structural, anything that is not supposed to move in your building, but your building is supposed to stay still, is the work of the structural engineer. For example, when an architect draws, he draws something like my beautiful self here. But he's an electrical engineer that makes sure that my nerves work. If I do like this, I can feel it. A mechanical engineer is the one that makes sure that mobility is possible. Can you see? A structural engineer is the one that makes sure there's skeleton there. If not, if I'm standing, I will not be able to stand. Pile of meat, na ground I go dey. I'll still be able to feel things, I'll be able to talk, you understand? But I'll not be able to stand. Does that make sense? So structural is anything that has to do with the skeleton. Electrical has to do anything that can shock you and anything that has a signal. Then mechanical is anything that has to do with plumbing and movement in your building. Does that help? I hope so. I've been Fola Jomi. See you on the next one.